Good afternoon, people. I got in the garage, started working on a couple of these generators I got. Uh, Figured out this one is carburetor is gummed up. So I'm gonna break it down, put it in the cleaner, see if I can rebuild it, clean it and rebuild it without having to get a new one. Uh, got good compression, got spark, but looked at the carburetor and it's definitely all gummed up. Let me finish pulling it off here and I'll let you know how it looks in a minute. Alright, got the carburetor off. We're going to break it loose and see what we look like on the inside. Old gas. Got a pig mat down on the bottom to catch up that. Soak up all the old gas. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that is not good for the carburetor. That is not. We'll break it up. Break it down. Put it in the boiler. Clean it. See what it looks like. Hopefully it cleans up pretty good. If not, the customer will have to buy a new one. And this is the old Tecumseh plastic jet. Who knows what it's going to boil down to be. We're going to stick it in the boiler, clean it, see if it cleans up pretty good. If not, like I say, they'll probably be buying a new one. Alright, family. Alright, we're going to stick it in the boiler, let it clean. Let it go for about 3 minutes or so. We'll go 480, let it count down, see what it does. Like I said, we got good compression, we got spark, so we'll let this clean up, see what it does. Hopefully we can get her running. I might have to set it twice for it to get hot. It definitely gets hot in there. Might have to run 2 or 3 times for the cleaner to get right, because it definitely cleans it. Alright. I'm going to put the bowl in there, let it clean as well. It's dirty. And I just looking at the rubber gasket and it's all cracked up, so who knows. Like I said, I was looking at the gasket. You can see the cracks in it. It's no good. So they're definitely going to have to get a gasket. Jet, looked like the gas probably did a number to it. It's warped, bent. Who knows what the rubber seat looked like inside the car, because it's got a metal seat for it. So if that's all ate up, it's going to have to be replaced as well. So we'll let that clean. We're going to put it back together carefully, see if we can get something out of it. see if it'll run, but I'll definitely let the customer know that it needs to be replaced. So I'll go online and see if I can find a carburetor for it, and see if we can get it to work. We'll let that clean and we'll get back with you when we're putting it back together. Alright family, this is what is coming off of her. Coleman Powermate 10 horsepower. Tecumseh engine. Coleman. I believe it's Briggs and Stratton. I've seen them around. But it's an old unit. So nevertheless, well, put it together. Like I say, the gasket is messed up. But we'll put it together and see what it does. Old style Tecumseh. Okay, that stopped. I think we'll run it one more time. Let it clean. One more time. See what it do. Just want it to get hot. Clean it up. Give it one more whirl. carburetor back on. We'll dump a little gas in it. See what it does. Yeah, family, I don't think that carburetor's gonna make it. Gasket all trued up on it, ripped up. Now you can see it leaking. So I mean, they're gonna have to replace the carburetor. Let me cut the gas off on it. Well, we know it'll run, but carburetor's got to definitely be replaced. Or we can try a rebuild kit. But what it's worth, I mean, it might be cheap enough. I'll look it up. Probably be better off just replacing it with a OE carburetor and going for that. At least you know it runs. Alright, family, I'm gonna let the customer know what he needs to get. We'll replace the air filter. We'll replace the air filter. Change the oil out on it. Put a new plug in it. Give him a price, and we'll go from there. But the carb definitely no good. The rubber gasket is all cracked up and chewed up. As you can see, it's leaking. So we're gonna go from there. And if they want to replace it and fix it, then that's their call. Alright, I'll get back with you. I got another one to pull over and check out.